Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now. If you look at the chart carefully, then there is no doubt that this chart is beautiful, simple, and it's a trending market. As we all know, trading on a trending market is much easier in comparison to sideways market or range bound market. And there is no doubt that this market is in uptrend. If you look at the chart here. And the basic rule of the market or thumb rule of the market says we should always follow the trend. Which means that if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And we can clearly see on the chart that this market is in downtrend. Therefore, we should mainly look for buying opportunities considering the trend of the market. But you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart. This is the first line and this is the second line. So let's try to understand these lines. Let's try to understand what is going on the chart of USD CAD at first. So let's find out. This market is an uptrend, no doubt about it. And you can see that this trend line, this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market, or in simple words, whenever market is coming down or going down, this line is acting as a support or providing support to the market. Therefore, this is a dynamic support. Dynamic because we do not have any exact figure for the or exact value here. And I'll request you, my dear friend, that you should draw this line in your charting platform so that you can also understand the market better, so that you can also do proper analysis with your own charting platform. On the other hand, apart from this support line, you can see that I have also got a line drawn here, a horizontal line at 1.2610. 1.2610, this is the resistance for the market. And if you're thinking why I'm saying or why I'm considering this level as a resistance, for that I need to take you to the weekly chart here. This is the weekly chart of USD CAD, and if I remove the drawings, then you can see that we have a resistance on the weekly chart. And as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players, the institutional traders. Therefore, support and resistance level on the weekly chart are extremely important for the market. And you can see that 3 weeks ago, when market tried to go up, when market tried to cross this resistance level, market did go up, but market failed to sustain. Market failed to sustain above the resistance, and as a result, market had to come down because of severe selling pressure. And right now you can see that market is still trading below this resistance level. Therefore, this gives us the confirmation that the 1.2610 is a valid resistance for the market that we cannot deny. So we have a resistance and we have a support on the chart of USD CAD right now, and we have also got the idea about these lines. So this market is an uptrend, there is no doubt. Okay, but we have a support here and we have a resistance here. Clear till here? And if we go to the Forex Sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex Sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If we go to the Forex Sentiment meter here, then you can see that in the USD CAD, 50% traders have taken short position and 49% retail traders have taken long position. Even the retail traders are also quite confused. You can see the 50-50. 50% are thinking that market will be going up, whereas 50% are considering that market will be going down. Therefore, retail traders are also not sure. They are also quite confused whether the market will be going up or going down. So we do not have any proper picture here. Whereas if you go to other pairs, then you can see that, for example, Euro USD, 83% are thinking that market will be going up. Okay. But in the case of USD CAD, you can see that they are not giving us any clear picture. And recently, my dear friends, I have also launched a pro trader membership program here. If you're interested, then you can go for you can sign up for it, where I'll be sharing my personal analysis on the currency pairs that are in the best position to trade for just a minimum fee of $50 per month. I'll be sharing minimum 3 to 4 analysis per week, and you can click on this sample button here, then you'll get the idea how will it look like. Okay, okay. Anyways, if you go to the Forex volatility calculator here, you can see that USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD, where is USD CAD? See, this is the USD CAD. If you're thinking how much volatility or how much movement you can expect on the USD CAD, then you can see that in the 15-minute chart you can expect a volatility or movement of 2.8 pips. In the 30-minute chart you can expect a movement of 3.1 pips. In the 4-hour chart you can expect a movement of 40 pips only. Okay. And right now, okay, we are back to the um, chart again. So what should be a strategy then? Market is in uptrend, we have a support and we have a resistance for the weekly chart. So the next important point is area of value. I have spoken about this concept in my hundreds and hundreds of videos. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity. Okay, in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best buying opportunity is always near the support. Whereas in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. And right now you can see that we have a support here. Okay, so first thing, we have a support. The market is an uptrend. Trend is towards the upside. Therefore, our area of value will always be near the support only. And right now you can see that market is trading here. This is not our proper or ideal position to buy. Because see, if you buy here, your stop loss will be here. And this is your take profit target. Your risk to reward ratio does not match. And if you short the market here, then you will be going against the trend of the market, which is not at all acceptable. Therefore, you will have to wait for the market or price to come down to the trend line or to the support. This is the only trading opportunity for you right now. So as you can see, the market is coming down. So wait for the market to come down and take support at this trend line, which is acting as a dynamic support. So once market hits this support level, then your duty as a trader is to observe the market, observe the price. If you see that price reverses, or if you see price bouncing from this trend line, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, this trend line is still a valid support for the market and you can go for buy order. Simple. On the other hand, if market goes up from here, then observe the price at this trend line, at this weekly resistance, because this weekly resistance is also extremely crucial for the market. Okay, generally I do not recommend a sell order in a down uptrend market, but this weekly resistance is a strong one. Therefore, if in case market reverses from this weekly resistance also, you can short the market. But still, I'll tell you that this trend line will be your best shot to go for buy order. So these two are the opportunities or trading opportunities on the chart of USD CAD right now. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again.